I've been waiting for what has felt like forever. Whenever I order things from Cute Things from Japan, they usually come really fast. But this time, my package got, well, not lost because it's here, but it took a bit to get here. So I'm really excited about this one because, well, I got more Eric Small things. I can't help it. Whenever I order from Cute Things from Japan, I essentially get what I want, and then I have to get $100 worth of stuff so that I can get free shipping. Otherwise, it doesn't feel like worth it for some reason. So, all right. So the things that I got, the reasons that we came here were for these acrylic stamps from Eric Small Things. So these things I saw a while ago on the Eric Small Things Instagram page, and I was like, I have to have them. And what's funny is now that I have them in my hands, I didn't realize how little they were. For whatever reason, I thought that they were like massively huge, but I'm okay with this because this is actually much preferred over what I thought they were going to be. So these are the regular stamps, rubber stamp here, but it's acrylic on the top and it has this little handle and it shows you exactly what's on there. And yes. So on the first one here, it says Royal Blue Ink. There's a coffee mug with a pen and a pair of scissors, and it says, have a nice weekend. And then this one here is one of my favorites of her recent designs. It's Enjoy the Small Things. It has a little ink bottle and this really beautiful house, and I'm very excited that I have this. So that's the same thing on the bottom here. I'm trying to think like what's the best way for me to do this, but this makes sense. I can see the house, and when I print it, I would print the house. Perfect. When I was purchasing these, I liked 4 out of the 5. This is the 5th one that I didn't necessarily like, but there was a slight discount if you got all 5. So I just got all 5. So it's a little ice cream here. Hello, Small Things. And that looks amazing too. Even though I wasn't super excited about it, I'm still happy to have it as a part of the collection. The next one here is one of my favorites. This is the Have Fun, My Favorite Things. Radio, car, light, fountain pen. It's all here, and they're all my favorite things too. And I'm very excited. And then the last one here is Good Time, always. So you've got a little house, and you've got a lighthouse, and then this is just part of the collection. We actually have some other stamps kind of similar to this one. This came in one of the Eric Small Things woodblock kits, so somewhat similar in the overall approach here with the icons. I just love them. So that's all of them that I got. Good Times Always, Favorite Things, Ice Cream. These are awesome. So you'll see all of these on my shelf now in the very near future. I did get another stamp while I was there. So it's a little mini Totoro here on an ink bottle. So that's super cute. And I'm very excited to have that here as well. Got another stamp pad here as well. I have another one from them, which I really like. So excited to have this here too. Get another one of the Deco Rush tapes. These are just fun. These have little triangles, little patterns on it. So again, I like to use these across my page in different ways. Use them as dividers, little indicators, things like that. Works out really well. While I was there, get an extra little Eric Small Thing, some stickers here too, just adding on. I think I have ones very similar to this. I have so many with all these different kits that I have now. So it's just one of those things where I just add to the collection. Continue with that stamps. We've got the 365 here. This is just a good job. I thought this was just fun. A lot of things that I feel like I would use in my bullet journal. Messy desk, conversations. Here's a Zoom meeting. Running around with some papers. We got a pencil, little dude holding on to a subway train, little key card. Overall, really like these. I have similar ones to these as well. So it's like continuing that collection. And it's super fun. I love it so much. Also got some little planner stickers here. This was Stationery Love. While I'm not usually into like the cutesy little like kittens and things, I did like some of the other stickers that were on here. And again, when you're just really trying to reach that threshold to get the free shipping, I was like, what else do I want or need? So I'll use these sparingly throughout my journals. There's a lot in here that I think I liked a lot more, but they're kind of cute. Also for the fall, these were on sale. These are the print-on stickers. These are transfers that you can use with your paper. And so while I was there, I got an extra transfer tool. So a lot of these you can rub on transfer. These might just be stickers themselves. I'm not sure. Oh no, these are. The directions are on here. So what you'll do is just cut out whatever you want. It has a little bit of a peel. You stick it down and then you use the little transfer tool and it'll put it onto the page. All right, another Eric Small Things here. So this is a label book. Mark, what did you need this for? What was your reasoning? I can't tell you my reasoning. I just know that
Anytime I see stuff like this, I have to have it. So these are really cool. They're perforated here, so you have the Hello Small Things, and you can kind of use them as like, they're kind of like, I would say they're like stickers, but you have to stick them on yourself. So these are really nice, and there's different colors in here. And I'll use them because I actually have been pasting more stuff into my journal recently. And why just get one when you can have a few? This had different stuff on it. That's why I needed it.
So similar perforated edges here. I like these designs. I've mentioned it before. Eric, the designs that she makes, just, I don't know, it just vibes with me. And I can't really explain why, and I don't know exactly what it is. It is just like the icons, I feel like, in this wonderful world of stationery stuffs that, like, it's stuff that I can use and I would use.
And that's why I think I love it. All right, let's go ahead and set all of this off to the side. One of my favorite things about shopping with cute things from Japan is that they always will send a little baggie of stuff. And they also send these little envelopes, which I will try to make one day with the wrapping paper that they send. So the first thing here is going to be a Cute Things from Japan journal. So this is a special edition. And it's just a cool little journal, little magazine. To kind of let you know what's going on with Cute Things from Japan, talking about their products, talking about their company. So I'll go ahead and sit down with this in a little bit. My other favorite thing is they always include like little papers and things. So we've got little post-it notes here with some flowers on it, a whole lot of flowers, little stickers. Oh, those are really pretty. Little thank you notes you can stick onto things, and then they always have these little like origami papers that come inside of here too. So these are just printed papers that you can have. So these are all super nice.
You know, of course, we gotta try these out. We'll go ahead and use our new stamp ink that we got here, and let's start with this little mini first because they are so cute. Yay!
All right, so let's use this one first. This is the Good Time Always here. Now, it does have a little bit extra stuff on it that's not on the front of that stamp that says have a nice weekend. So we will also see what that looks like.
Definitely loving this color choice of this ink. All right, next one is going to be Enjoy the Small Things. This is going to be the house with the little ink block here. And enjoy the small things down the side. Okay, next we'll do the How Are You with the royal blue ink. And have a nice weekend. As much as I like to keep the integrity of these, I don't know that I need to have a nice weekend all the time, so I might actually use some washi tape and kind of block them out when I'm using them instead of my bullet journal. Or I could even just go over top of it maybe and do like days of the week there. This is the Have Fun with My Favorite Things. And then the last one will be the Ice Cream Sundae. Hello, small things. So these all look amazing. This ink is working so well to capture those little tiny details that Eriko has in her designs. I'm still blown away that she hand carves a lot of these up front in her videos you ever watch. Like, this isn't just like a little design and she puts it through a machine. A lot of the times she's carving these, not obviously at bulk like this, but when she's doing the original designs, that's her carving that into an eraser or into a rubber block. I'm always so blown away. I love her designs.